Hello students, in this video we will see decision tree and patterns. Decision trees. A decision tree is like a flowchart that helps us make decisions by asking a series of yes-no questions. Imagine you're trying to decide what to wear based on the weather. Is it raining? Yes, take an umbrella. No, move to the next question. Similarly, is it cold? If it is yes, then wear a jacket. If it is no, then a t-shirt is fine. This type of structure helps computers make decisions just like humans do. They are widely used in artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning to solve problems. Pattern recognition. Pattern recognition is how we identify similarities and group things together. Our brain does this all the time. For example, if you see a round red fruit with a stem, you recognize it as an apple. By learning patterns from data, computers can recognize things they've never seen before. This is an important part of artificial intelligence and machine learning.